People visit our tasting room all the time and ask us, how do you appreciate a glass of wine and how do you learn more about wine? What we like to start with is the 4 S's of wine appreciation. The first one is sight. And that's simply looking at the glass of wine. Looking at the color of the wine can tell you something about the varietal of the wine and the age of the wine. A lighter purplish color might be a younger wine, whereas a deeper hued might be an older wine. The next step to wine appreciation in the 4 S's is swirling. And that's simply taking your glass and letting the wine swirl around inside of it. What that does is it releases the aromas of the esters, and about 90% of wine is all about the aroma that you smell. So what you want to do is swirl it, put your nose right in there, and inhale deeply. And this is necessary because 90% of your taste buds is based on what you're smelling. What you want to do then is kind of focus in on the aroma and try to discern what you're smelling. Is it flowery? Is it spicy? What we set up for you so that you can kind of test your different senses of smell is an aroma box display. And after you're done viewing this, what you might want to do is go into our event room and go ahead and experiment with our aroma box. It lets you experience about 36 different aromas, which then will help you identify these aromas in wine. The thing we tell people is somebody is not necessarily born with this technique. It's something you develop over time, and you kind of grow into and learn as you go. And the best way is to know what the smells are so that you can identify them in wine. And then the third step, after you've swirled, smelled, is to take a sip. And what you want to do is take a sip and kind of let air roll over your tongue and then swirl the wine around to different parts of your mouth. This lets you experience it in different parts of your mouth, and a little bit of air is going to let oxygen come in and let that flavor come through even more. And last, but probably most important, is savor. Go ahead and taste that wine and enjoy. Thank you.